So here we are at the car dumping yard at West Ridgely.
Somebody's had a big shit over here, used a lot of paper.
Bits of cars. I do get out at full drive and spot the muddy terrain. Because I
draw a penis on the rocks. Take a picture of it, eh? Have a look at it.
Well, he's got big balls.
Some Sheila's been bold, say, I want that cock in me, boy.
Well, we should sit here. Next time I'll bring paints and I'll paint a proper dick.
His balls have been flattened anyway. Oh.
Arseholes up here drinking bits of smashed glass. And they put them there so people couldn't run the cars off the cliff.
Yeah. Yep, that's what they're done for. There's another spot up further somewhere. Or down further where they used to do it. Someone's been cutting all this shit.
Oh! Yeah, next time we go, we'll bring the fucking chainsaw.
Yeah.
Get loads of wood.
Cut it up, took a load of wood, eh?
Yeah. I'm all for that. You can teach me how to use a chainsaw.
I'm going to cut your leg. Well, we found it. I'm happy with that.
We found it, Jace. Found one of them.
The old fella's found a walking stick. He's right. He's right. She's a bit fucking bendy, but she's right.
What is it? A fucking ball.
Oh,